Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay March 25, 2026 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong March 25, 2026 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, March 25, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for March 25, 2026, Wednesday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, March 25, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of March 25, 2026, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.